Today we are going to explain how to download and install Jenkins on Windows. Jenkins is an open source automation server used for CI/CD. CI means continuous integration and CD means continuous development. For installing Jenkins, we should follow some steps. Let's see how to download and install Jenkins. Just search Jenkins download for Windows. Just go to the first link, then you can see Windows. Just click here. It's downloading. Okay, download done. Then run the exe. Go to the next, and select run service as local sys. Yeah. Let's select and then click next. Then you can check this port is available or not. Just click here. Yes, it's available. So we are using 8080 port. Next, for Jenkins we need Java. So Java version should be 17 to 21. We should select Java folder here. Ensure JDK is already installed on your PC. Then please select OK. Then next, install. Then click yes. Then click finish. Then go to the link default location. Just click here. Now in this location you can get initial admin password. So go to the link. Just copy and go to the folder option, and you can paste it here. Now this is the initial password. You can open it by notepad. Just copy it from here. Then go to the again browser, paste it here, then click continue. Then you can install suggested plugin. Okay, now you can create an admin user like Titash, set the password. Save and continue. Just click save and finish. Start using Jenkins. Thank you for watching.